right, ladies and gentlemen, we are headed out to Robbins. And of course, I almost went the wrong way, or I felt like I was going the wrong way. But we got 10 yards going out to Robbins, North Carolina. We was out there earlier this week pouring that manhole. And we back out there again. Yeah, they've been doing a lot of work out there in Robbins. I know one of the finishing crews we work with, they just built a whole subdivision out there, man. I'm talking about nice. And because they just now, or you know, from what I can see, they are beginning to revitalize or refurbish that area. You got some really nice homes, some brand new construction right across the street from, you know, 80-90 year old buildings, 80-90 year old homes that's you know, kind of run down. So I wonder how that's gonna work with the tenants. You know, I wouldn't want to pay $1,600 to live in a, you know, and even though the home is nice, the community matters as well. So I wonder how that's gonna go with the tenants. But either way, they're doing a lot of good things out there in Robbins. A lot of beautiful construction, a lot of new construction. So it is what it is. You know, I think it's gonna work out. But either way, y'all, we on our way. We in the mix. Stay locked in. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you see on your screen. Show some love. It helps me. It helps my channel. It helps my page. So please do your boy a favor and stay in the mix and like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right, that's a welcome back. We are about a minute away from our destination. We are in Robbins, North Carolina. We got 10 yards on here. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into, my good people. Let's see, it should be somewhere up here on the right. All these driveways, these so hidden. Okay, so it's looking like it's right here. It actually looks like they over here, which they are. So and here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. You gentlemen order some concrete? Where? You just point it this way. Where am I going? This for you all? Is this for you? I'll follow you guys over. I said I can follow you guys over there. Okay. come back in there? Okay. That's one thing about North Carolina is they nothing. All right, so we doing a footer. We're gonna back down and go around that bend and start on that furthest side. Let's see what we got here.
Years later.
All right, I'm gonna come back just a hair. Down, or is that good? You want me to take it down a little bit? Look good?
It needs to be a little dry.
I can mix it for a second. Yeah, I'm gonna let it mix for 3 minutes or so, let it tighten up.
Probably don't have the wheelbarrow with the military. It's probably easier to get it from the front. He's piled up over here on this side.
Yeah, that middle is going, yeah.
Probably easier to get it.
You got some piers going in?
Yeah, we got a wheelbarrow. We're probably doing right about that much week.
Yeah. I could have brought an extra chute.
These things that big.
Okay.
We barely got
Yeah, we got a 2-man crew on a footer. Let me show y'all how big this footer is. And it's only 2 of them working it.
put a little bit of water in it if you want to.
Yep. Let me just raise it up so it don't drip.
That's fine.
Okay. All right, I'm unlocking.
Hey, Jamie, you think they're ready for the second truck?
All right, guys, we've been pouring for about 20 minutes now. Let me just show you guys the progress on a 2-man footer.
About to blow that son of a bitch out. Yeah. About to blow that bitch out right there.
Oh, man.
It's coming up under too. We threw a cinder block in there hoping it'd stop it, but it still bubbled out from under a little bit. You see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, hell, it's bowed like a bitch. I ain't worried about it. Drop me to fix that shit. But we still on the right spot. We'll get that out in a minute, man. You're gonna have to put it up top. We're probably gonna need some more over there, but
Yeah.
I don't really want to put no more pressure on it. Let it sit there. I mean, if we have to, we'll back the truck up and put a little bit more in it. Because, I mean, hell, it's gonna go around it anyway. On the
Yeah.
sides.
Yeah. I'm surprised it gave in, though.
Well, it's taller than the other one.
Oh, it's just slid into the...
It's a 2-foot one instead of a 8-inch.
Mmm.
Well, 8, that's a 2-foot, and that's a 2.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Yeah.
16.
That's a 16?
Yeah.
Whoa, why such a big step down?
Well, we was gonna do them like that so we wouldn't have so many, but they're harder to put in
Yeah.
than them smaller ones. So I said, fuck it, and we just
Kept on with the small. Yeah. All right.
You wanna try to put some more against it right now? Or you wanna wait? Wait. That board got a lot of pressure on it. Well, I know it does. Once it sets up a little bit, though, it'll be all right.
All right. Get back going. All right, guys. We are back pouring. Like I said, this is going to be a long one. But we're gonna get her done. Next time I show y'all this, it should be done or I'm completely poured out. Make sure y'all stay in the mix, like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what y'all want to see. All right, guys, this is what we got done. This is 10 yards. So he put in an order for another 6.5. I told him I think he needs in between 5 and 7. So he ordered 6.5. He said he'd rather have too much than not to have enough, and I agree. It sucks waiting for another truck to come. But pretty decent sized footer, plenty step downs, piers in the middle. Look good. But that's it.